Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Watch2Gether to create an online discussion room about videos that you share with your students or friends. So let's go to Watch2Gether.com, and you'll notice I'm not signed up or signed into any account. I'm just going to hit Create Your Room. And up here, I'm going to paste in a video link. And there's my video. So we have my video up here. And over in the bottom right corner, now we can chat about the video. And we can chat while the video is playing. Let me mute this. You can see there, I can still chat while that video is playing. Now, I've created a temporary room, which means this room is going to expire in 24 hours. And the way I get people to my room, so I simply give them that link that's been assigned to my room, and that URL assigned to my room. In the upper right corner, you'll see that little gear icon. And you can change some of your settings, like the background image and background color. But you'll notice you also have options to moderate the conversation if you like. And if you sign up for an account, you can keep your room open for longer than 24 hours. So that's a short version of how to use Watch2Gether.com to create online conversations in real time about videos that you share. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.